Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, we officially now have an inside look of the myEcon new 2025 global membership. And I'm going to break down what the actual back office looks like. And you can see it right here on your screen. I was able to snag this screenshot from one of the corporate guys. Thank you, June, for that. Appreciate you. And I'm just going to kind of walk you guys through here so you can see it for yourself. I'm trying to blow this up a little bigger so you guys can maybe see it a little bit better here. I think that's about as large as I can get it. So I want to kind of take you through. I shared a recent video where I talked about what the members, members outside of the United States, what they were going to see in their members area. Now we actually have it, and I can show you firsthand what you guys are going to see. So for those of you guys that are coming in from other countries, Canada or Australia or whatever it is, you guys can actually see what is going to be in your members area. And there's really not a lot of difference between the existing members area and what you guys see right here. As a matter of fact, I'll even show you guys. I'll come on down here to the existing members area. Okay, this is for an EBM membership. And you can see right here, it says EBM, which is Elite Business Membership. This is the people that come in at $99, okay? And then we'll go over here to the International Membership, which you guys can see right here, which it's going to be a little hard to see on your screen right there. I'll see if I can draw it so you guys can see it. See right here, it says ZTM. So that ZTM stands for Zingo Travel Membership. You can kind of see it in the logos right here, Zingo Travel Membership. So outside of the United States, that's what you guys have. That's a product and service that you guys have access to, which is the Zingo Travel Membership, which is why that says ZTM versus the other memberships, which are FSM or EBM. Okay. So that is what you're looking for if you are signing up as an international global member, that ZTM. And obviously you can see right here on your screen that this is what you're going to get access to, right where the product carousel would be, in the other memberships. Obviously, well, let me just again kind of show you guys right here. This is EBM. You can see the whole product carousel right here. When you go over to the existing or the newer Zingo Travel or Global Membership for myEcon here in 2025, you guys see what you guys get access to. There's that one product right at the top when you guys are in your back office. Now, again, like I stated in another video, this is also something that myEcon stated when they went live, when they launched Global last Friday, that they are working on more products, again, that are international based, that are available all over the globe. They are going to be adding more products into the product line for the global members. But as you guys can see right now, you're starting out with this right here. One of the things I mentioned yesterday, I'm just going to pop this up on the screen here for a quick second. As a international global member, yes, 100%, you do have access to the full myEcon compensation plan. All of the levels, all of the commissions, everything all across the globe, any country, you get access to the full compensation plan. So you're not just marketing to people outside of the United States. You can market here to people inside of the United States. You can share any link, get paid on any level. It's all the same. Nothing changes. So anywhere in the world, you could take massive advantage of the myEcon compensation plan, which is probably, at least so far as I've found in my history of making money online and being inside network marketing, this is the best compensation plan I've ever found. And I don't just say that because I'm on the inside. I've actually done the data. I've done the homework, and I have lots of other videos here on my channel where I compare the myEcon compensation plan to other compensation plans, and it's just hands down, it's a night and day difference. Okay, so let's come back to the membership level here and let's scroll through. This is the actual back office that you guys are seeing here for the global members. So as we scroll down, everything else is the same. So I'll even show you guys this. I'll go over to the membership level here in the United States so you can see it for yourself. You scroll down, that business video is literally right here. It says show membership video. That's the video that you see right here. Okay, over on this screen, I just have it hidden. You can actually hit right, it's tough to see, but right here it says hide intro. You just hide that. And then everything else is the same. Okay, you have the training, exactly what to do as far as the training goes for global members. It's the same, as far as getting out there and sharing your links. The automated marketing system that you guys get as, any member of myEcon, you guys have that right here. Okay, you guys have that here as United States members. You guys also have that over here as global members. And then, of course, all of your reports, your compensation, your video training, your document center. Again, that is all the same for global members as you guys can see right here. All the reports, commissions, everything else is the same that you see right there. So wanted to kind of show you officially. I did another video that was similar the other day. I wanted to do this video and show you officially what you guys get access to, what the back office looks like for myEcon Global members, so you can see it for yourself. As always, my friend, if you have any questions for me whatsoever, then go ahead. I left my phone number at the top of this video. You guys could send me a text message. If you are outside of the United States, do me a favor, just drop a comment here on this video, and you can go ahead and do that, and I will get back to you with any questions. We can even connect via email. But plain and simple, my friend, this is live. Global is now happening with myEcon. It's absolutely awesome. The floodgates have officially opened up, and now the entire world gets to access this incredible compensation plan with myEcon. If you're ready to get started in myEcon, link in the description down below. One last thing too, when it comes to getting started with our team specifically, link in the description down below. I have a full tutorial where I show you how you get almost $11,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon business. Yes, that's any membership level anywhere around the world. Okay, we're going to give you all of your sales funnels, your training, your app, everything you need to literally start marketing your myEcon business. It's $11,000 in free value. It's all yours just for activating your myEcon business. But the one thing that everybody's kind of going crazy for right now, which is why our team is making a boatload of sales, is our global sales rotator. Like, I mean, literally, this literally just happened. I plugged in a brand new guy the other day, and within an hour, 1 hour, he made 3 sales being in our global sales rotator. Okay. Dozens and dozens and dozens of new global members are making sales in our global sales rotator. So if you want in, link in the description down below, you'll see a little thing that says get started here. That will take you over to my join page. As a matter of fact, it literally looks just like this. You guys can scroll down and you see the different levels to join. If you're here in the USA, it'll say USA only right there. And if you're global, international, meaning outside of the United States, you scroll all the way down. It says right here, okay, literally says international members outside of the United States. You can click on that and you can get started and you can activate your myEcon global membership, my friends. Thank you for watching. I greatly appreciate you. If you made it to this point in the video, you haven't yet subscribed, it really does help the channel out. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, and also hit that bell icon so you can get notified first anytime I upload new content. Appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one.